Hey, for all you guys back east, we're about to get hammered with the dust storm. So here's what it looks like to the west and just directly above, and then here is the nothing. If you've ever seen the Never-Ending Story, that's about what it looks like, and we are about to get clobbered. You can watch this thing move right in. Anyway, I'm going to hang out here. The sky is, I mean, I'm sure that the color's showing through, but it is brown, about like the house behind us. And we are, I'm guessing, not too much longer. It will be in my backyard, so I'm going to hang as long as I can here. And you can see that, I mean, it is all the way around. We walk around to the side looking north. You can see to the north it's pretty clear, but we are, I mean, this is as dark as I've seen in a long time. You can see this thing just, I'm looking straight up right now, and the wind's starting to pick up. It is getting dark very quickly. It's about 8 o'clock, I think, and here it comes. Here we go, showtime. I can see the street behind me, and it's pretty dark, and the wind is kicking up, and my eyes are starting to get pretty, you can feel the sand just blowing in. See if I can switch modes here. There's some birds flying in the sky, but it is like, it's dark. And you can see now looking towards the west again, and it has just gotten very dark. And now you can barely see the street behind us. It's picking up significantly. You can see here we go. Oh, you can feel the temperature just cooling off big time. It was probably about 100 degrees before this blew in, and this happened literally within 5 minutes. It was pretty normal looking monsoon type sky, and then all of a sudden we've got, I don't know, less than a half a mile of visibility. Probably less. I can barely see the house behind us. This is a big one. I can only imagine what this storm was like when it was in full form. Usually these things happen when the thunderstorms just collapse. They get really high up, and then they just drop, and you get this gust front that just blows through. And you can see now that street light, that's just the street right behind our house, and you can barely see it. You can see how much dust is in the air. I would guess the winds are probably about 30 miles an hour, 40 at most. And again, I have not changed the filter on the lens or anything. I'm using my cell phone camera, and you can see, you can't even see the sky anymore. There's the back of my house, and there's a bird. This is one of the more incredible ones I've seen. Alright, well, I'm going to go inside because my eyes they feel like sandpaper right now, so I'm going to go watch from the inside.